All right. Williams, Philippines. It's about 2 o'clock in the p.m., and I've been awake way longer than what I planned on. Uh, it is Tuesday, January 28th, 2024. Boy, I need to be getting some sleep, and I'm just now getting this done. Uh, I did something crazy. I hauled off, and yeah, I don't know how to get this thing out real easy either. Anyway, I hauled off and did something crazy. Ah, bought an iPad, ninth generation. It's only 64 gig of memory, but hey, it's an iPad, ninth generation, and you got it for 150 bucks. So, yay. Spent another 50 on a little keyboard for it and a pen. Yeah. And then I spent solid 5 hours after I got home playing with it, trying to figure it out. Because the first thing I did when I got here was start to try to set it up on my computer. And I didn't remember to not take and tell my computer to go ahead and update. So updates just came out today. Guess what? When you're trying to set your uh, iPad up, apparently getting shut down in the middle of it unexpectedly while updating is not good, because the update for that operating system on this one came out today. The iPad and the uh, Macintosh system came out today, and while I was trying to update one, the other one crashed me. That was real interesting. I had to figure out how to get it to redo it. And apparently you can't have your VPN on while you're doing it, because that's not something that, it doesn't allow it to go, because it is apparently something about it showing up where it's not supposed to show up before it comes to where it's supposed to go. Because, yeah. Anyway, fun stuff. I'm tired. uh, yeah. And I ended up staying late at work a little bit. My relief comes in about 7:30 or so during the work week, the regular 5 days. She shows up real late on weekends, but that's okay. I expect that, and I'm kind of used to it here in the mornings for her during the work week. But before I got out of there, she wanted me to go and play plumber, run the snake down a drain. Apparently, it works now. Yeah. And I told her she can add 5 hours onto my paycheck for that one. She looked at me, laughed about it. And I looked at her and I says, "You know why boss doesn't have me do maintenance, don't you?" She looked at me and I says, "Because he can't afford to pay me to be maintenance. I know how to do it. I'm pretty good at it. But yeah, I barely want to maintain my house and do the work here for me." Yeah, it is what it is, but that's okay. I got that took care of. The boss has a room that's draining. Now we just got to get the floor dried up. Uh, a continuation of the guy that apparently flushed a washcloth down the toilet. Yeah. Some days you just wonder about people. 5-story building and flight lessons off the roof. Yeah. Just a thought. Just a thought. Anyway, yeah. Very interesting day. And I'm trying to get this. I got part of it. Tried to synchronize my contacts list over onto it, but apparently it doesn't want to take it off my iPhone or off my uh, Galaxy, Samsung. I don't know. I know there's a way to do it. I just don't know how to do it. So yeah, I'll try it again later. I know there is a way. There's an app for that. Some way, somewhere. Yeah. But I did get a backup of my uh, phone onto my desktop while I was doing all this, and a backup of what I got so far off the iPad. Ugh. No, I really just want to eat something and go to sleep. But yeah, I'm already late. By the time I get this in the can and shipped off and uploaded, yeah, yeah, it'll be 2:30 probably before I get this done. Yeah, fun stuff. But I do need to eat something, so I'm gonna have to make this one a short one, folks. Uh, yeah, still going in July. Was Navy and did 4. And now, my dad was the one that was really in there. And this is for you, Dan. Yeah, my dad did 23 3/4 Air Force, and I bounced around with him because of being in the Air Force. Uh, but yeah, uh, I don't really need extra time in the military. I did mine and I'm done with it. Had no desire to continue, but a bunch of people in my family have. I think there's, oh gosh, 12 or so that went military, and a couple that tried, couldn't, and then a couple that went lifer. I think 5, 6 of them went lifer. Uh, yeah, got a few members in the family that are military. Hell, I got a cousin that's retired from them. I could have been retired from them if I'd went ahead and stayed in, but yeah. I've got a nephew in there right now that I know of. I think there's another one. And yeah, I know a lot of folks in the military. So, yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Come along for the insanity of my trip to the Philippines and getting to live over there. I was telling somebody today or last night at work, you know, I'm moving over there because I can afford it, and I'm pretty sure you can figure it out too. He said I planted an idea. I hope so. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope you have blessed week, fairly easy work week. Lots of friends, lots of family, lots of food, and oh yeah, even more food. Because hey, we're always hungry. We just eat it so we can go to the bathroom, you know? Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.